What's up, Pyros? So we're in the woods testing some of these crackers. These small ones should be about 2 grams. Starting to rain, so I'm trying to do this before a big thunderstorm comes in, but see how these work out. Oh, they work. That was 2 grams. Check that out. Do a little chunk. All right, here goes number 2. Those aren't bad. These are some nice little like M80s. All right, we'll get the big ones out. So I got a few of these that I'm gonna test. So these should be, most of these should be 5 grams, but the bigger ones are gonna be more like, I got a couple that I think are more like 7 grams. Check that out. Those ones, really nice chunk. Let's see what this one does. All right, let's try a 7 grammer and then we'll get out of here. I didn't do too much to that. A longer fuse on this one. Oh, I felt that one. Holy crap. 7 grams. Jesus. All right, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed those bigger ones. Stay tuned.